I know how it feels to be unemployed because I once stayed in the ghetto for some time. So during the lockdown, I thought of my youngsters who stays in the ghetto. Where are they? What are they doing? How are they making money? How are they surviving? You know, when I thought of that, I said, why should I not? I should create something for these guys, which is small. So that's when I came up with the idea of Mutsapuri. Mutsapuri was not easy for me. The journey is still tough up to now. You know, funding your own business is not easy, but I said to myself I should start small. So I started in August. I started with 5 bicycles, 2-wheelers. So I rebranded. I bought them brand new bicycles from India. Then I rebranded them. I had to paint them, rebrand them to fit my needs and my clients' wants. Then I had to build up a team made up five boys from the ghetto, and I'm proud to say these guys were once drug addicts whom I knew. So this is kind of a rehabilitation program for the youth, you know, and that's why I then invited them to come and partner me, because they don't work for me. I always tell them, you guys, you don't work for me, but you work with me. So there's no boss in Mutsapuri. We are all equal, but we work together as a team. We know we are going, we know our vision of creating at least 500 jobs for the youth by 2023. It's achievable. We want the youth to stay away from drugs. So this is a unique way of, this is a solution. What I think is a solution. Imagine if I create 500 jobs, you create 500 jobs, someone creates 500 jobs, about 1,500 jobs created by 2023. Where will we be by 2030? So that's why I came up with this idea of Mutsapuri. Anyone can just ride a bicycle. No qualifications needed, no school educational background needed. Just you, your energy, and you can start the job. So I think the response from the clients is overwhelming. You know, I can't express how I feel. You know, we now have a personal relationship with almost everyone around waterfalls and the areas around waterfalls. You know, they all like this idea. We started with 5 bicycles, 2-wheelers. They then started complaining that we need something big to carry us, them, and their goods from shops to home. Then I said to myself, my idea of Mutsapuri, I can't run away from it. I need Mutsapuri to be a bicycle errands company. Then I had to look for another solution so that I can certify my clients. That's when I bought this tricycle, which I'm sitting on. This one can carry up to 300 kgs. We call it kumba kumba. You know kumba what is? Takura anything. There's no takura mavenda town. That's mavenda town. That's a unique name. That's why we gave this a kumba kumba. So I see myself being one of the most successful entrepreneurs in Zimbabwe. I see myself creating a lot of jobs for the youth. I see myself creating a legacy that will live forever in Zimbabwe and abroad. My advice to young people out there is, business is not easy, but business is easy. Whenever you see a problem, whenever you face a problem, think of a solution. Whenever you come up with a solution, you will make money, trust me. But the problem with a lot of people, a lot of youth out there is, they want to start big. You can start small. Start with whatever you have. You can start a business with $1. Believe me. You can start a business with $2, with whatever amount. It's just in your mind. And if you have a vision, you get whatever you want. If you have got an idea, your idea will attract money. Believe me. So do whatever you can so that you can make money. Stay away from drugs, guys. We face a lot of challenges, few challenges in Zimbabwe. A lot of queues, traffic congestion, potholes. The state of the roads is not healthy for cars and drivers, you know. So Mutsapuri is now a way. I think it's a solution to the problems we are facing. Potholes, traffic jam in Harare. So a bicycle can maneuver to wherever. It's fast. I think a bicycle is more than a car. Given the situation in Zimbabwe, a bicycle is faster than a car. That's why we came up with the idea of Mutsapuri. You know, number 1, to save you fuel. Number 2, to save you from potholes. I know how it feels to repair your shocks and suspension. So with just $1. On a day-to-day basis, we do errands for, number 1, I once said, for the elderly, number 1, and we also do for the community at large. We do with vendors, tuck shop owners, so we go and buy things for them from wholesales. Here in Waterfalls, there are a lot of wholesales. You know, we are close to a lot of industries here. So we go there, Tonua, Odera, we bring them back. because evil they will be avoiding moving from mataksho posi wavara saka isusu we are a solution to their problems, whereby we just take the money, we go and buy, we bring them back. And also we are also targeting those who are in the diaspora, those who are away from their parents, you know. We are open, guys. We can make we also have a package for you guys. Wherever you are, think of your mother, think of your father. Who will go and buy groceries for them? Who will go and fill up the gas for them? Who will go and kuchigayo for them? We are the solution. Just give us a call, guys. I need you to do this and this, and then we can give you a package. That can be a monthly, a weekly, a daily package, and we can help your parents.
Vakomana pavakatanga kuintroducewa kwandiri ndakamboona kunge zvisina basa, asi muzukuru wangu akavaona nhonga kafly kaoma. Ndakanditi gogo, munosvipika kutuma muchidi pamwe muchifamba mune zuva kuenda kuParktown, pane vakomana ava vari kutoita vati vanoita vanda kuchigayo vanotenga gasi, vanogona kuitirai. Ndopandakati izvo mumwe musi ndava ndambozvigunwa, mumwe musi bhasikoro rake ari kuchovha robva kutakishop, vavaona vakawanda zvikanzi ndavaona vakatowandawo nemainifomu zavo gogo. Ndikati allright, mangwana acho vandati vafonere timbovatuma. Ndopandatanga kuvafonera zveshuwa, ndobva vauya bva vaita basa vakadzoka nazvo nenguva diki diki zvatouya. Nditoona inga zvandakutopota ndazotovatuma kakawanda kuchigayo vatondiendera kairi. Kuchigayo taitoshupika pamwe tichidya rice for 3 days, tashaya wekutuma before ndisati ndaziva naMutsapuri. Iye zvino zvitongoti vakapera ndongourutsa ndopepeta, vane vachitora bhaketi vachidzoka neupfu. Mari mwezuro chaiva vakauya nomwe upfu. Saka aiwa tiri kuzvifarira machembere muno munoziva, especially musha uno wedu weWaterfalls uno wakazara chembere. Vana tinavo, vana vakudzimba kwavo, iwe haasi mwana wangu, mwana womwana. Vanotoone kudzimba kwavo, vane mabhizinesi avo kwavanogara. Magrosari makuru makuru vanotenga, but zvinhu zvidiki zvidiki zviri hendizvi. Anga chingwa chemwana wekuchikoro mangwana, pamwe chiwo upfu hwapera, ungamufonera uko kuti adhiraivhe motikari yake auye. Saka takaona kuti ana Mutsapuri ava they are very much handy. Ndotoshaya kuti how they make profit, charge yavo it's very cheap. Yakanyanyisa kuchipa. Kuti wamutunga chingwa netukasozi nekuti agaise futi ongochaja 1 US sure. Macharges acho ndikuona akadzikisisa.
Mutsapuri tinangoti panguva inoyi ndo yakabata upenyu hwangu ini kutosvika pari zvino. Ndo chinhu chokutoti ndichimuka kusenika, ndo chinhu chandotanga kutoita. Tanga ndamboona kuti mabhasikoro angu ari sei, ndotanga ndambosevhisa mabhasikoro angu ndozobuda ndopinda muvabereki, totanga kushandidzana nevabereki. Nonge tinogona pazuva towanza kurova madhirivhari anogona kusvika kama6, 7, dzimwe nguva torova 5, pamwe pachitorova 6. Zvinoenderana nekuti mazuva acho anenge akamira sei, because mazuva haafanani panguva imwe chete. Shuro changu ini ndiri kutarisira kuti by 2023 Mutsapuri inenge yabuilda, inenge yakunzi Mutsapuri chaiyo chaiyo.